Welcome to the best picks. The best double door mailbox is probably one of the most secure and convenient ways to manage your mail, offering a rear access point for easy retrieval while keeping your mail safe from theft or the elements. This video will take an in-depth look at what makes a great double door mailbox, exploring key features, installation tips, and helping you choose the perfect one for your needs, ensuring you receive your mail efficiently and securely. Number 5. Simple 3 Classic Mailbox. This mailbox is perfect for any home. Its classic design and durable construction will provide years of reliable service. It has 2 convenient access doors, one in the front and one in the back, making it easy to get your mail. No more struggling to reach your mail. This mailbox is built to last with heavy-duty, double-wall construction and secure magnetic closures. It's made in the USA for superior quality. It easily handles small boxes, newspapers, magazines, and more. You'll never have to worry about running out of space. It's quick and easy to install on a 4x4 wood post. All the necessary mounting hardware, a post cover, and address numbers are included. The bright red flag lets you know when you have mail waiting. It swivels out from the front for easy visibility. What we like? This mailbox boasts a timeless aesthetic and the added convenience of 2 access points. If you appreciate quality craftsmanship and reliable functionality, this is the perfect choice for your home. It's ideal for those who value American-made products and a traditional look. What people say. This sturdy heavy-duty plastic mailbox was very easy and quick to assemble with the easy instructions and just 6 screws. It fit right over our existing 4x4 post and the stick-on numbers were included. After a few months of Maine's typical winter weather, it miraculously avoided the snowplow and emerged into spring looking and working like new. I now appreciate the black color, which probably helped the plow operator see it, and I like the back door, which allows me to fetch the mail without stepping into traffic. The magnetic latches on the doors work flawlessly. I don't have to worry about the rain getting inside and soaking the envelopes. Because it is made of some kind of polymer, there is no chance it will rust out like my old one. This mailbox is by far the best constructed setup I've ever seen. Very easy to install and looks fantastic. Number 4. Gibraltar OM160 BEC Mailbox. This mailbox offers a large capacity perfect for busy households or businesses. Its durable construction ensures years of reliable service, protecting your mail from the elements. Retrieve your mail conveniently from the rear, away from street traffic. It's a simple design feature that adds significant convenience. It's built from rust-resistant galvanized steel, ensuring it can withstand even the harshest weather conditions. This mailbox is designed to last. It easily handles high-volume mail delivery, including packages, magazines, and padded envelopes. Say goodbye to overflowing mailboxes. The glossy black powder-coated finish is both elegant and protective, resisting rust and the elements. It's a beautiful addition to any home or office. It requires some simple assembly, and you can easily match it with compatible posts. Detailed instructions are included. Please note that mounting hardware is sold separately. Choose the perfect post and hardware to complete your mailbox setup. What we like? Built to last with rust-resistant galvanized steel, it offers ample space for all your mail. If you need a mailbox that can handle a high volume of deliveries and provides discreet rear access, this is the one. It's perfect for busy households or those seeking a secure and convenient mail retrieval system. What people say. This mailbox is very well designed and engineered, thicker and much stronger than standard rural mailboxes. Magnetic closures at the top of both doors ensures repeatable lasting secure door closure, protecting contents from the weather elements. This mailbox went into pillars we just installed. It was perfect size and has opening in the back, so we don't have to go on the street side for safety. Works exactly as we wanted it. I bought this mailbox exclusively due to the larger size of the box and the dual doors. The box is very well made and assembly is straightforward. Number 3. Architectural Mailboxes 6300 RZ Oasis. This mailbox is designed to handle your large parcels with ease. Its dual doors and secure locking mechanism will keep your items safe and sound. It can accommodate parcels of various sizes, ensuring you never miss a delivery again. Say goodbye to overflowing mailboxes. It's built with heavy-gauge galvanized steel and powder-coated inside and out for superior corrosion resistance. It is built to last. The dual doors provide convenient access to your mail and packages. You can easily retrieve your items without struggling. With pre-drilled mounting holes, installation is a breeze. You'll have it set up in no time. It features a secure locking mechanism to protect your valuable items from theft. Rest easy knowing your mail is secure. What we like? This mailbox is designed to accommodate even the largest parcels, keeping your items safe and sound. If you receive many packages and prioritize security and protection from the elements, this is an excellent option. Its robust construction and locking mechanism provide peace of mind. What people say? The bronze color is a perfect replacement for our previous bronze mailbox. Absolutely love this box. It's sturdy and nice looking. Very sturdy and safe. Not small at all. Just the right size even for small packages. Box of checks or cell phones. Very secure. Number 2. Brightlight Solar Mailbox Kit. This innovative mailbox kit makes finding your home easier than ever, day or night. Its solar-powered light ensures easy navigation for everyone. Never worry about guests or delivery drivers missing your home again. It's the only solar-powered lighted mailbox on the market. It's built to last with heavy-duty cast aluminum and a powder-coated finish. It can withstand any weather condition. Installation is a breeze. Check out our helpful installation videos for step-by-step guidance. Personalize it with your address numbers. It's perfect for both residential and business use. This mailbox kit offers a sleek, modern look that complements any home style. It's the perfect blend of form and function. What we like? This mailbox stands out with its integrated solar light, making it easy for deliveries at night. If you want a mailbox that's easy to install and enhances visibility, this is a great choice. It's perfect for those who value convenience and modern design. What people say? It is gorgeous, hands down. It's well made and sturdy. It came well packaged and undamaged. The solar light on this is both very bright and lasts all night, and I was very pleasantly surprised that it works exactly as I would want. The mailbox has a very pleasant light which illuminates the house numbers at night. It is powered by a rechargeable battery which, in turn, is powered by a solar panel. Number 1. Special Light Classic Mailbox. It's made of durable, rust-free aluminum with a beautiful powder-coated finish. This mailbox is built to last and enhance your home's curb appeal. It easily handles letters, large envelopes, and even small packages. You'll have plenty of room for all your deliveries. Its classic design complements any home style. Plus, it keeps your mail dry and secure with a strong magnetic catch. It comes with all the necessary hardware and is simple to assemble. You'll have it up and ready to use in no time. It meets all USPS standards for mail delivery. You can trust it's reliable and built to last. This mailbox is more than just a place for mail, it's a stylish addition to your home's curb appeal. Make a statement with its elegant design. What we like? Made from rust-free aluminum, it offers a beautiful and low-maintenance solution for your home. If you're looking for a stylish mailbox that's easy to install and requires minimal upkeep, this is a great option. It's perfect for those who appreciate a blend of aesthetics and practicality. What people say? This is a heavy-duty, well-made box. Easy to mount with the mounting kit, strong magnetic locks. Expect it to last for years based on how well it is made. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.